Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to connect Google Gemini to n8n. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your n8n dashboard, then open one of your workflows or create a new one from here. Let's create a new one. Now, first I will add the first step, which is chat trigger. Close this. Then I will add my AI agent that I will connect Google Gemini to. So here in the chat model, I will click on this plus icon and search for Gemini. This is the node you should add, called the Google Gemini Chat Model. Click on it. Now to connect Gemini to n8n, it's simple. First, select create new credentials. You will land on this page. Now, click on or go to Google AI Studio by visiting this link is aistudio.google.com/api-keys. This Google AI Studio link, I will leave it in this video description. If I forgot to do so, just let me know in the comments below. Now click on Create API Key. Name your key, for example, for my n8n test. Here select this default Gemini project or create a new one. Let's create n8n test project. Click on create project. A new project is created, and then click on create key. Now click on this little key like that, it will open up, and next to API key, click on this little icon to copy, and then go back to n8n. Here, make sure to not edit this host link, it should go there, and in the API key, delete the default one and paste this one. I will paste it using Control V if you are on a PC or Command V if you are on a Mac. Now click on save. As you see, connection tested successfully. To make sure, now you can close this window. Here you can select the Google Gemini model that you want to use. I will leave it as the default one, 2.0 Flash. Now you can close this, and let's test to test if Google Gemini is really connected successfully. Open the chat like that. For example, write hi, and you will see the AI agent use Google Gemini, and it will reply to you. Hi there, how can I help you today? And this says how to connect to Google Gemini or simply Gemini to n8n. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.